Welcome to Cooking with Reeve! Today we're going to be making a tropical smoothie. So first we're going to need 1 cup of milk. Now we're going to add some ice. Now we're going to add 2 bananas. You might need an adult's help to put this lid on because you don't want it to splatter all over. Oh wow. Now it's time to pour. Made a mess there. Okay? Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna sip some of this. Cheers! Hope you liked your smoothie. Bye!